Yo, what up? Welcome to the Cypher. From the basement and next to Mike Entertainment, I got some of Beehive's finest MCs. I got the Time Killer, Black Blinks, Fly, Nigger, Sunny Me, Forever Rhyme Spitter, IB, Ideal, and of course the Street Legend, Lemuel Knight. Hey yo, Don, drop the joint.
The deal is I stay true to my tightness like a virgin. Rapper stationary, I is the very pain. Yes, I am the pain in your soul, you need a morphine. Murder all y'all, you don't know what to serve me. Before they been, they criticize whatever I bring up. Now they say I too fly whenever my shit drop. If this not church, oh boy, I'll be your father. And if your rap not pop, mine be in kaka. How come this background fellas keep frontin'? You a top and the girl open, then you go jumping. You don't run nothing, you need to stop bluffing. You got a heart? No, I say it's not pumping. It's no guts, no glory. It cowardice, that's the end to your story. Survivors for the fittest, in and fit to stay alive. It is an ideal, a man, kill a man to survive. Since love is pain, show your head is game. When I'm up, you down, different lanes. So catch me overseas as there's a borderline between us. I know be boss, yet I take over time to report. But they know that I'm a ruler like the cream. They still know I'm staying true to all my dreams. Perfection is what I'm calling my mistake. 8 days of Boxing Day, if y'all was thinking DC 26 when I don't miss dates. Homos can't cough it, if there's another number one, then it must be I. So if you no be leader, know the yarn of dominance. And if you no be dealer, bros, no talk of confidence.
You know what it is.
Rap,
real rap. Check this. I'm the life that you dead. Rappers are scared of face. My existence even executing me cannot erase. Flow like a virgin, I'm highly immaculate. But tonight I'm fucking the mic with so much violence. I'm heading to heaven, but I gotta pass through hell, where only hot times and violence rings the jingle bell. Experience is the best teacher, now I can testify. Cause you only know how much it hurts when you testify that I'm in. I'm the type of guy that shouldn't be classified. Cause I'm gonna be ahead of all the teachers in any classifying myself. This is real rap coming straight out of my shell. The road to destiny, I'm the one to trek it myself. I'm kinda dizzy, but I can't stop, man, I won't stop until I got my ass sitting on the highest rooftop. I'm showing off my worst behavior like Drake, executing niggas off my path just to overtake. Better understand that this underdog from the understand, strong on his 2 feet, ready to face the upper hand. This is the way we do shit, interchange, got our thoughts moving hand in hand. It's more than rap when you see me outstanding, altering word out of my mouth, shit is outstanding. Blah.
FB.
BHC, the boys fly Brits and the swag got Loma. Still shining them, slap with a mic for a night. Deliver hit, all the rappers that are me, I'm 6 foot, I heard of them. Oh no, I never heard of them, I'm just being a herd of them. Fly is the breed, you so don't be fearing heard of them. Gorilla for the monetary, you might just go bananas like a fool. Catch me if you can, at the Bahamas. We on the fast lane, nigga, we run things. Me and my guns too ballin', testers. Blue lit must turn red, you know what the test is. You where them cats at, acidic the test is. I'm the fire on the mountain, run, run. It's a death race, Black Jason Startum. Jason who's Tatum, sure you wanna know, no time to check time. My turn, I start time. Wordplay king, money heavyweight champion. You, by the time I'm done shitting, I'ma flush you straight to the sock away. Somebody tell my sock away. I know you really suck, but I've got my shit to suck away. When it comes to the streets, I roll with the legend, highly respected hip-hop free agent. The shooter told you, flies above you, crazy on the station, girl, Sarah, past you.
TFRS. Forever I'm spitter. It's difficult for you to like what I say, cause truth is bitter, and I'ma always spit it at your face. Will that be enough reason for you to hate me, or hate on your calendars? You watch your whole fans trying to update me. A W probably means that you cannot X me. The only person coming after me is the next me. My flow make you tipsy on, sort of like a beer, man. You've been a little boy for more than 20 years. Been rolling with OGs at the done on my 16. Out of all the number of balls, I use just 3 things to murder you. Harder than courage and a little word for you. Quit rapping, claiming the G's not gonna work for you. Kidnap the hit in the booth, drop out the runway. Heard rumors that hip-hop died one way or the other, but I'm an eyewitness of the crime scene of his mother. So listen as I tell you what it is at ease. The truth is right in the booth, I got the proof. Why you whack rappers misinterpreting the whole news? There's no use. Why you getting your whole listeners confused? As you remain at the bottom of the bottom, getting fucked no yet your hopes high, cause even James cannot bond us. Cause I'm a friend of your enemy, enemy of your friend, and I'ma kill you when I see your words not gonna end. Just believe me, I suspect it. Yeah, now the first thing I'm gonna do is find the bricks to build my destiny, and I'ma keep living till the day I leave a legacy, nigga.
Beehive. Word, listen close. First things first, night with the verses, topping the A-list and none of y'all reverse this. Got a blessed foresight, nigga, television. I come doing crow like, nigga, tell my mission. 5 blazing mics on point, rap game edition. Next to Mike Cypher, street drop edition. Not a street shit like my voice on the track. Dope behind bars, see everything with crack. I don't give a fuck, both hands on deck lately. Fuck the fast lane, I just move the shit quickly. Ruthless prodigy for some of them accomplice. Dumb ass strategies for real ass companies. My name on the map, I'm the compass to this. Night for the hood, I'm the conk ass in this. I'm shot with a Kodak, punk ass in this. Get away from a street bitch, booty clap. Lean to the left side like fitted caps. All it is green shit like dollar stacks. Took away what is mine, I'm trying to get it back. Been around the game, spin in the circle. 6 years of hard work, been in the circle. Klepto to the game, I'm still in your fame. Night for the hood, definition of ill. And more concept, reformation and skills. Start with an okay like a BOC verse. Take a bow and fall out when you see us. I'm not saying I'm acting, not saw shit. Kick back, relaxing, back in this bitch. YL to death where you were switching teams. Plain DNA, but I'm rocking my jeans. I hate acting, but I'm in love with the scene. Art King brother with a deep rhyme flow. I never came last, even BFS no. Kickstart to Cypher, BFS flow. Can't even blink when it's sunny in my lines. Cause when I deal with you, I've been next to the rhymes. Peace. Word.